Welcome to video number 8 of my Grafana Workshop. In this video, we will create a dashboard to monitor any unexpected intrusions or changes of your critically active directory accounts like new members in the enterprise or domain admin group. For this, I created a Grafana dashboard for a complete view on enterprise and domain admins. How many users are member of both groups? Additional panels will show the state of accounts in your Active Directory like all disabled accounts, logged out accounts, and expired password accounts. Another situation could be a massive rise of password changes in your Active Directory. That could be an indicator of an internal or external hack if it happens at 2 a.m., for example, on any admin account, plus an overview when it happened. Imagine the following situation. An admin in your team does a remote session to your AD controller and creates 20 admin fake accounts. And with these fake accounts, another 20 admin accounts. And with one of them, he starts downloading and changing data in your data center. After everything he wanted to achieve is done, the admin deletes all the users and event logs in Active Directory, and everything is cleared. Nobody will take notice about that. Or do you monitor this? All we need for that is a PowerShell script that monitors your important system accounts, group memberships, and password changes in your Active Directory. This script should be run from an external monitoring server. Add this PowerShell script to your telegraph.conf and restart the Telegraph service on your monitoring server. I switch over to my environment, where I will create 5 additional users and add them to the domain admin group. This is my Grafana Active Directory security dashboard. I have got 3 domain admins and 3 enterprise admins in both groups. So they are the same. It's the administrator support and urban ADM. There were no password resets in the last 30 minutes. So you can see even no password changes on the timeline here. I'm going to create 5 users and add them automatically to the domain admin group. Let's double check this. Member of domain admins. Okay. To speed up Grafana, I restart the service and going back to dashboard. After the script has finished and the data was transferred to the Influx database, we will see an update to this panel here. So the 5 users were discovered. We've got 8 domain admins. We can see test user 1 to 5 added here. And we've got 8 on the timeline. What also happened was, because we created these new users, we also had a password change and the exact Active Directory time here for the last password set for these users. So let's remove the users again. Check it in Active Directory. They are removed. And restart the Telegraph to speed up the discovery process. In the config file, you can see my both scripts. One is for the admin groups and the other is for password resets. Going back to dashboard, let's open the domain admin panel. Go to edit, to options. And here we've got the thresholds. What is important is that you know how many domain admins should be in this group. And this should be set between the next number, that even if somebody removes one of the domain admins, that you are informed about that. So during talking, the script discovered this update, the removal process. Everything is fine again. But we've got here on the timeline, we see that there was an impact that there was somebody who changed the amount of domain admins, and this is an easy way to discover any changes on your critical security accounts. So this kind of security dashboard really improves the way of monitoring critical user accounts. Thank you for watching Security on Microsoft Active Directory with Grafana dashboards. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel.